Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you are fine and enjoying your time at your home. Today we are going to start our first unit of computer, which is history of computer. Dear students, we all know that almost everything we have today must have any history. Same computer is not developed in just one day or by only one person. There are efforts and ideas of so many people involved to develop a modern computer that we are using today. And in past it is not in this form that we are saying today, or maybe in future it gets more advanced and more perfect. To know about the history of computer, dear students, let's start our unit. History of computer. Computers help us in doing many difficult calculations easily. They also help us in many different types of work. But do you know, computers were not always available. Thousands of years ago, men used to keep a count of numbers by using bones, stones, etc. Like you can see in this picture. A man is counting his gods by using bones. You can see these bones he is using to count the gods. As the need to do large calculations grew, people attempted to develop machines to do fast calculations. The earliest known device used to do calculation is abacus. Later on, efforts were made to develop better devices which could do more and more difficult calculations at a faster speed. From abacus to today's computer, efforts of many men were involved. As a result, many different machines were developed. Let us learn about some of these machines which led to present form of computers. Abacus. Abacus was earliest device used for calculations. It was invented in China about 2000 years ago. Where it is invented? In China. And how many years ago? About 2000 years ago. You have to learn this type of things from your reading. Okay. Here you can see, here is the picture of abacus also. The abacus is made of a wooden frame. This is the wooden frame with rods having beads. These are the rods having beads. These circular shapes that you can see, these are the beads. There is a crossbar which separates the beads on the rod. This is the crossbar. It separates the bead. The upper part has two beads and the lower part has got 5 beads. The beads are moved near or away from the crossbar to do calculations. Next is the Pascaline. Blaise Pascal, a French mathematician, developed a machine called the Pascaline in the year 1642. Here is the picture of Pascaline. This machine had wheels and gears in it. It could perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division by rotating these wheels. Pascaline is said to be the first calculator of the world. Which was the first calculator? Pascaline. Difference engine. Charles Babbage designed a machine in 1822 which was to calculate mathematical tables. It was called the difference engine. For counting mathematical table, this difference engine was developed. The difference engine was able to do calculations accurate up to 20 decimal places mechanically. Analytical engine. In 1833 to 1834, Charles Babbage designed another machine. This was named as the analytical engine. The modern computers are based on the principle on which analytical engine was designed. Therefore, the analytical engine is said to be the first computer. Which was the first computer? Analytical engine. Charles Babbage is known as the father of computer. This you have to learn. Here I show you the picture of analytical engine. Okay. Next is the tabulating machine. Dr. Herman Hollerith developed a fast counting machine called the tabulating machine. It used the method of card punching for storing data. The card punching method proved successful and was later used for many years to store and recall data. This is the picture of tabulating machine. Okay. Next is the Mark I. In 1941, Professor Howard Aiken used the ideas of Charles Babbage and designed a computer with the engineers of a company called IBM. IBM stands for International Business Machines. This you have to learn its full form and its abbreviation also. This computer worked electromechanically without any manual efforts. Electromechanically means the machine worked with the help of electricity. It could perform addition, subtraction, and multiplication. This computer was named as Mark I. Mark I was also known as the Automatic Sequence Controlled Computer, ASCC. Another name of Mark I is ASCC, and its full form you have to learn. It's a picture of Mark I computer. Okay. This type of this long incomplete room this computer was placed. Okay, next is ENIAC. Improvements in the design of Mark I led to the development of another computer. This was named as ENIAC, Electronic Numerical Integrator and Calculator. ENIAC was designed by Eckert and Mauchly in 1946, and this is the picture of ENIAC. ENIAC could perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. It could perform 5,000 additions in a second, a huge number. But it was very big in size and consumed a lot of electricity. This we can say it's a disadvantage of ENIAC. EDSAC, a few years later, John von Neumann suggested that besides storing data and calculating results, a computer can also store programs. So EDSAC was developed. This was smaller in size and faster than ENIAC. This was the disadvantage of ENIAC, that it was very big in size. So EDSAC improved that. EDSAC stands for Electronic Delay Storage Automatic Computer. It was first used in Cambridge University, London. Here is a picture of EDSAC. Okay. IBM PC. In 1981, William C. Loaf. Basically, its complete name is William Leland Loaf. For Leland, they just write C and full stop. Developed a computer for IBM. IBM stands for International Business Machines. This was called as the personal computer or PC. This has become the most popular type of computer used today. Dear students, the reading that we have done, you have to learn all the names. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. In our previous lecture, we done the reading of our first unit. Now we are going to start the exercise that is on page number 9. Okay. The first question on page number 9 is name the first calculating device. We have learned in the reading the first calculating device was abacus. I hope so you have learned this from your reading. Which device was invented by Blaise Pascal? Blaise Pascal invented Pascaline. Who was the father of computer? Charles Babbage. What did the tabulating machine use for storing data? It used the method of card punching. Which computer followed the ideas of Charles Babbage? When was it developed and by whom? Mark I computer. It was developed by Professor Howard Aiken in 1941. What were the limitations of ENIAC? It was very big in size and consumed lot of electricity. How was EDSAC different from ENIAC? EDSAC can also store programs and it was smaller in size and faster than ENIAC. On next page, page number 10, who developed the personal computer and when? In 1981, William C. Love developed computer. Write full form of ENIAC: electronic numerical integrator and calculator. Next is ASCC, automatic sequence controlled computer. EDSAC, electronic delay storage automatic computer. Next is the match the following. For match the following, first is ENIAC. Who developed? It was developed by Eckert and Maudslay. Next is difference engine. Difference engine was developed by Charles Babbage. I forgot to match this. You have to match it also. EDSAC. EDSAC was developed by John von Neumann. Pascaline. Blaise Pascal. Tabulating machine. Dr. Hermann Hollerith. And Mark I was developed by Howard Aiken. Clear? Next, here are the pictures of some machines. You have to write the name and its inventor. First is the picture of Pascaline and inventor is Blaise Pascal. Second is the difference engine and inventor is Charles Babbage. Third is the ENIAC and the inventor is Eckert and Maudslay. And last, question number 5 is the activity. You have to make a scrapbook by using picture of different calculating devices. You can take pictures from newspaper, from any magazine, any book, and you have to paste it on plain pages, and these pages you have to join and you have to make a scrapbook.